Hi, I have in my hand here Crimp F connectors. Basically the idea of these is that they put the F connector directly onto the RG6 cable and you crimp it in position to give a really good crimp. These particular ones, the dimensions on them are, they're 21 millimeters long. The actual outer diameter on this is 10.7 millimeters, and what's quite unique about this is the thickness of the metal on the outside here. The actual material is about 0.8 of a millimeter, or slightly thicker in fact. So what it means is that when we go and crimp it here, there's quite a lot of metal to flesh out, and it gives quite a good crimp directly onto the RG6 cable. So what we're going to do here is I've used this pairing tool here just to remove the outside shield, and then to cut and pair down the dielectric here, which you can see, and we're just going to remove it here like this. And what we can do then is we can simply grab our crimp connector, and I'm going to push it directly on, and I'm going to show you a crimp tool in a few moments time and how we're going to do this. So we're just going to push this on like this, and you can see here, and I just have the dielectric basically at the bottom. I'll pick up the snip tool here now, I've got the excess here, have it just like that. And what we're going to do then is I have a crimp tool here. So this is a heavy duty one, it's an associated product along with this one. And now this may change from time to time, the actual tool, but the general process will be the same. We're going to be using the outer, smaller unit here. So what we'll do is we just come along, we slide it over, and then we can just crimp in. And we just put quite a bit of pressure on simply because this is quite a thick thing. And what we can do here is we can just see here, and it's crimped on extremely well. Even with single crimp using this particular connector with that tool there, crimps on extremely well. And we have something here approaching, we'll say, what we'd get with a compression F rather than a crimp one. So it's a really good tool in terms of that, and very popular here. Certain people use crimp, certainly others use compression, others use twist on, but I think this particular connector here now, I'm very surprised by just how good the results on it is. So that's it anyway, an overview of a crimp connection. One final note on it, we can sell them in bags of 100, and the reason that we sell them in larger quantities is that you just have to buy the tool with it. So that's basically the way we sell them and make them available on the website.